Automation Direct was built on putting our customers first. Recent advancements in some of our vendors' manufacturing processes have reduced our prices, and being Automation Direct, we're passing those savings on to you. With lower prices on many of our in-stock products from brands like Iron Horse and Quadritalia, now is the time to stock up and save. Do you need PLCs? We've got them! From simple to advanced control, we have a variety of PLC brands to choose from, including the Easy Peasy Click PLC family, the Advanced Productivity and BRX controller, and the motion-centric LS Electric PLCs. Does your application require HMIs? Check out our new CM5 touch panels, offering lots of great features and screen sizes for a low cost. Maybe you build a lot of machines or structures with T-slot extruded aluminum. In that case, check out our line of SureFrame aluminum rails. With our T-slotted rails, you can get the exact length and size you need, with several angle cut options, allowing you to cut out the waste and keep your budget intact. So for the best value in automation, visit AutomationDirect.com and save on industrial control products today.